Assalamualaikum and good evening to my evaluator, which is Dr. Hagia. So my name is Muhammad Syahir bin Azam Shah. I'm a FIP1 student. So I'm gonna present about the my project, which is booking facility and events in MSU campus. So chapter 1, the introduction. The project introduced an innovative application aiming to modernize the campus experience by streamlining booking processes and enhancing resource utilization. The primary goal is on providing students with a convenient platform for reserving and managing a campus facility. Responding to the evolving needs of the students seeking both academic excellence and a vibrant campus life. The significance and impact. This report explore the development technical aspect and potential impact of the application, showcasing its potential to revolutionize the student experience in higher education. So the problem statement is schedule conflict. So we all know that uh, in campus it hard to make a schedule for especially if a replacement class, which is need to be physical, and replacement class on the weekdays are for sure very hard. So the student clubs and faculty often encounter scheduling conflict when attempting to uh, reserve a classroom, meeting space, lab, or even venues because they need to go to the admin department or library for meeting space or labs. Uh, this conflict arises due to the lack of a centralized system that provide a real-time information about the facility availability. For event discovery, as a student, I think it's hard for us to discover the event because they have a community group WhatsApp, but it didn't centralize. For example, they have a six group of James Hunter. So, and certain event are invited by our mentor or our lecturer during the class. We need to go to CH because of a fashion show, but they didn't have the real centralized system. So the next one is administrative burden. The existing manual booking process are laden with paperwork, phone calls, and or in-person visit, resulting in administrative bottlenecks and long wait times. This administrative burden not only affects staff efficiency but also creates a frustration for user. For objective, to allow students to book campus facilities such as sport courts, study rooms, event space, and more based on availability, time, and number of people. The next one is to enable student to reserve slot for campus event, workshop, movie screening, and other entertainment activities such as karaoke, Zumba, or talks. So the last one is to allow students to create their user profile and synchronize their book facilities and entertainment event with the student calendar for easy management and planning. For the significance of the project is enhanced student experience. The project revolutionized student interaction with the university campus, offering a user-friendly platform for facility booking and event discovery. This lead to a significantly improved campus experience by minimizing scheduling conflict and administrative hassles. The next one is a streamlined resource management. By offering a real-time facility availability information and an integrated working system, the project will enhance the efficient use of campus resources. This will lead to the reduce the schedule conflict, better resource allocation, and cost saving for the university. The next one is improve engagement and event discovery. The event explore module will empower students to stay informed about on-campus event, fostering increased engagement with academic, cultural, and recreational activities. This will contribute to more a vibrant campus community. For chapter 2, the problem is a trend in campus management. A key point that I can give is optimization of resources is crucial for efficient campus management. My explanation is about optimizing resources vital for efficiency. This involve the making involve making the best use of available resources, ensuring they are allocated appropriately and continuously monitoring their usage. Efficient efficient resource optimization contribute to the overall effectiveness of campus operation. For resource optimization, efficient allocation and management of resources involve identifying the right resources, determining appropriate allocation, and continuous monitoring. For explanation is resource optimization involve wisely identifying, allocating, and monitoring resources on a campus to ensure efficient and effective utilization aligning with the goal with the institution goal. But the last one is technological integration. Technology integration in campus management includes the using various technology resources in daily practice to create smart learning environment. The technological integration in campus management entails incorporating various technology resources into daily practice to establish a smart learning environment. For the review of related products, so I get three from what I have discovered. For the first one is a UM point, and second one is a sports facility booking, which is GMI, German, something I don't remember, German mechanical institution, I think. And the next one is the Sarawak Timber. So basically, for UM point and GMI, they got a login, so they must put their student ID and password to log in the system. And for Sarawak Timber, no, they didn't have it because it's just a general page which is look old. So next one, and of course the boom of before I forgot, the boom my campus is also my the project that I want to produce. So the next one is uh for my login. So I will put it for sure because everybody need to sign in now, and not everybody can download it. So next one is real time calendar. For UM point, so UM point, they have a real time calendar, but they didn't show the free slot, which is for example, I want to book a karaoke. They didn't show it in the system. And for GMI, yes, they also have it, but they show what slot is available and what time. And Sarawak Timber, yes, but didn't show the availability for the book. And for my application, yeah, I will show it for each of the available slot. The same goes to GMI. And the next one is increase contact. For UM Point and Sarawak Timber, they didn't put the emergency contact. So in case the apps was a glitch or does what will happen, uh, they didn't know who to contact. And for GMI, they put an email and a phone number. So in the inquiries, they can directly call to the admin. For UI, user interface, uh, for UM Point, they get a like old school interface like uh in 2016 interface. So 20th century lah. And for GMI, they look like 21st century design. And for Sarawak Timber, yes, they also got it. But in old design, which does not have, which is doesn't have a lot of elements. And I will put it also, and I will create it look like 21st century design. And integration capabilities, yes, but your endpoint didn't show the data who already booked for future which be taken. And for GMI, yes, they show who make a reservation for future. For Sarawak Timber, yes, but didn't show the reservation free slot. And I will for my project I will put it if they get booked, the time it will get booked and the time will not available for the other person. So notification system for UM point, I didn't get any data for this because I tried to ask my friend, but my friend said they didn't have receive any email. They just book and they just go there and just said their name. So I don't know which is they got the email or something. For GMI, yes, they need the student or lecturer email. I mean ID for confirmation for to create a reservation. So they will get it the notification system for example, I already book it and your book is confirmed and don't forget to go to the events. And for Sarawak Timber, yes, they will send an email to a person who make a reservation. So in Sarawak Timber, they need our email to contact with them. For Book My Campus, I will put it so the user will get the notification to confirm or to book it. For chapter 3, which is methodology. So I choose waterfall methodology, which is a requirement gathering, identify and document user needs and preference for booking campus facility and events through a comprehensive survey. For second one is system design, they create a detailed plan for the app's structure and features based on the survey data, ensuring a user interface for seamless booking experience. For implementation, which is step 3, develop an app according to the design specification, incorporating survey-driven functionalities for efficient facility event reservation. For number 4 is testing. Truly test the app to ensure survey derive a feature work seamlessly, providing a reliable and user-focused campus booking experience. For the fifth one is deployment. Deployment launch the app to the campus community, integrate survey-driven booking capabilities, and providing necessary training for user. And the last one is maintenance, for sure. The regularly update the app based on the user feedback gathered through survey, ensuring continuous improvement and addressing evolving needs. So for system requirement gathering, I already create a Google form, so I just pass it. But I didn't get a lot of response from students, from MC students. So I got a lot, around 10. Last week I was check was 10%, 10 response. So this is the question. So I have a 14 question excluded for gender and group age question. So total is 16. So for the proposed system requirement for for the hardware, I will use laptop Windows 11 and Intel Core 9 Gen. And I suggest to use RAM is 8 gig RAM for development tools and virtual device. For storage, I will recommend it use a solid state drive, SSD, recommended for faster performance. And for the testing apps, I will use a smartphone with Android OS for apps capability testing. For development tool, I will use IDE, Android Studio, for Android development with relevant SDK. For software, um, the first one is event registration and ticketing, allow user-friendly event registration and ticket purchase. Paperless check-in, so the streamline the event check-in processes. Flexible payment method, enhance the user experience with multiple payment option. Social media integration, promote event and engages attendees through social media. Real-time event analytic, provide insight for optimizing campus space utilization. Automated emailing and messaging, improve the communication efficiency. Modern user interface, enhance the user experience for space booking and event planning. And number 8 is integrated calendar for and booking platform. Track and measure university event operation. And customize, the last one is customize and automated workflow. Improve the efficiency for better outcome. So this is my proposed, this is, it would look like a system design. I didn't complete it yet because this is just a basic one. Uh, in in future, I will, if in 5P2, I will try make it look more better than this. So first one is a homepage, welcome page. So everybody need to put the ID and password and log in. For the second one, okay, you got a profile, gyms, gyms, event and book facilities at the top bar, and the bottom of the page, I will put the upcoming event, so they will know what event MSU will conduct. So the event get the gyms, uh gyms type, date and slots for what how many slots are are available for to book. If the slot are full, but the event didn't move yet, but they're still there because want to let student know the event is currently running. For if I want to book a facility, the third one is I need for example I want to book a student study room at library. So I want to put location. Then need to put the time and date. So after book it, the admin will check it if available. Will approve it and the book your booking is confirmed for the last page. Thank you. That's all for me. Um.